Hi, this is Andrew Dobson from Property Assistant. I just want to walk you through a couple of housekeeping settings you can apply to the system. So when you first sign up to Property Assistant, you'll land on a page similar to this. If you've got a trial, you'll see your trial status and the ability to upgrade to a subscription. But also, if you click on this little user in the top right hand corner, you can open up your user profile, and here, if your preferences are set true, you can sort of switch between different theme modes. So for example, you can choose a light theme, or you can keep with the dark theme, which is the default. That's up to you. You can also switch on and off your sort of email notifications. So for example, when the assistant is working in the background identifying deals, it can email you and notify you of those deals straight into your email inbox. Going back to the dashboard, so as you can see, the assistant section is there, but you currently have no assistants. To start your first assistant, you basically click create. Here you can choose a location. So in this example, I can choose Heysham, which is a location near me. A couple of seconds. So I can select Heysham, and then I can select the value add strategy, which I'm going to go for. So in this instance, I'm going to select light refurbishment. The acquisition strategy, so I'm going to be using bridging for this. And then my exit is I'm looking to refinance to buy to let. So this is a similar sort of strategy to BRR basically. You can then specify your target profit. So in this instance, I'm going to keep it at 20%. The timeline in months, so it's going to be a 6-month process this before I refinance, and then the refinance amount that I'm looking in a percentage, so 75% remortgage. So at that stage now I can click create assistant, and what this will do now is it will start the search and start up the actual assistant to then start looking for properties. So in this instance now you can see that the assistant has found 2 properties in the Heysham area, so you can view those properties. At this stage you'll notice they're not analysed, so the AI will sort of work in the background similar to a human assistant, and will start determining whether those properties are fit for a deal or not. What will happen is once it sort of analyses a property, it will then drop them into your pipeline. So if you go into pipeline, as you can see at the moment this is empty, but over time the assistant will move sort of deals that it suggests you look at into the to view column. It will also shift deals into on hold if it thinks they don't quite meet the strategy or the price needs to come down, etc. And then it will also push stuff into discarded, so properties that just don't fit that strategy will drop into discarded. Okay, well that's an introduction to getting yourself going on Property Assistant. If you do have any questions, please do reach out, and I will see you soon on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.